to count the golden chairs. So are you ready? Okay, let's start. We've got 1 golden chair, 2, 3, 3.5, 4, 5, 6, 7, 7.5, 8, 9, 10 golden chairs. Here's our golden chair for our special adult. I wonder who the special children are who are going to be on our golden chairs today. Wave at me, Bumblebees. It's lovely to see you, and I can't believe this is our last golden assembly. So this week, on the golden chair, and we're going to need the biggest golden chair in the world, I put everyone on there because you've all made me so proud this year, and you're just amazing. So well done.
Nominated Nancy this time. Nancy, you've set us so well into your new little bubble, and I'm so very proud of you. Bye.
Hi Ladybird, listen wave. Right, on our golden chair this week is Finley Bonnie. Finley for getting onto yellow band. Well done, Finley.
Give me a wave. I'm really missing you all, but I have someone special to put on the golden chair today. It is Kai. Kai, you're on the golden chair for always making everyone smile, including Mrs. Smith, who's your teacher at the moment, and for having a positive attitude this week.
Tigers! Right, this week for the golden chair from Tiger class is Jude for his amazing bubble story and really trying with his handwriting. I even managed to get a sneaky look at it. It was absolutely beautiful. So well done, Jude. Wave at me, Red Pandas.
Okay, we've chosen someone very special today.
Very special this week.
Because this person has been coming in with a really positive attitude all week long.
And a big smile on their face.
Are you ready? Drum roll, please. It's Louis. Well done, Louis.
Wave at me, Giraffe. This week I have chosen Billy to go on the golden chair for keeping trying so hard with his home learning and doing really exciting things like bug hunts. Well done.
Hi Parrots, can you believe we're in the last week of year 2? It's gone so quickly. So this week I'm nominating everybody for just being amazing. Have a good holiday. See you soon.
Give me a big wave, everyone. I couldn't choose this week, so I've decided that I'm going to put all of you on the golden chair because you have all been so amazing. So take care, everyone. Hope to see you soon. Bye.
Hi everyone. I get to choose a golden chair for the adult this week, and this week I have chosen Mr. Wignall, and I've chosen Mr. Wignall for standing on the gate in the pouring rain, making sure that everybody comes in happily and safely in the morning. Well done, Mr. Wignall.